Okay guys, so hypotenuse leg. This is the last congruence one. The big thing is the hypotenuse and a leg of a right triangle is congruent to the hypotenuse and a leg of another right triangle. So the big takeaway here, guys, is that they have to be right triangles. Remember that the hypotenuse is always across from the right angle. So right here and here are your hypoteni. So if our hypotenuse, which I'm going to go ahead and mark in purple right here. So BC is congruent to EF. All right, and then a leg, we need to have a leg congruent. So a leg and a leg. And your leg, BA, is congruent to ED, then your triangles are congruent. So triangle ABC, easy as 1, 2, 3. Na, na, na. So triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DEF. Okay. Keep in mind, guys, they have to be right triangles. So we're just going to jump into proofs. And this one's pretty straightforward. I don't know if I should zoom out or take the camera out. Let's see here. All right, that looks pretty good. So given, why does the light keep turning off? Oh, it's on my computer. Got it. Okay. So let's look at these proofs. First of all, they're right triangles, which is awesome. So I'm going to go ahead and mark another right angle there. And then I'm going to just write given. Okay, next up, it says that ML and MN are congruent. All right, so that's nice. Ooh, keep in mind, that's our hypotenuse. These are our hypotenuses, hypoteni. Across from our right angle. Okay, so here's our hypotenuses. So far, two things we know. One, that it's a right triangle. Two, that our hypoteni are congruent. All right, and then MP, the shared side right here, this side is going to be the same to this triangle as it is to this triangle, right? It's a shared side. And you're going to write reflexive. Okay, and then the triangles are congruent because of HL, hypotenuse leg. Okie doke. I, like last time, am going to fill some stuff in here. So first thing that I want to point out is our givens. So there's 3 givens. The first one I'm just going to write triangle WVX and triangle ZYZX are right triangles. Okay, and then the next given is WV is congruent to YZ. Okay, so right triangles and WV is congruent to YZ. I'm going to pause for a second and I'm going to fill some stuff in. And then you are going to complete the rest. Okay, so you have 3 boxes to complete. They need to be completed along with angle, angle, side in order to get credit. Now be nice. You guys have a Delta Math next. Make mistakes. It will tell you what you did wrong. You will learn from it. It is okay. All right, I will see you guys Friday.